Is it too early to be picking me up for the shoot?
No, I brought you the key.
Wait. They want me to have the car all day?
Yeah, they want you to drive it yourself.
Oh, I just thought that... Wait, that's the car?
You're welcome. Oh, and hey, watch this. It'll tell you a little bit about what you need to know about the car. All right? It's gonna be a good day. See you there.
Hi, good morning, Kate. Big day today. I'm really excited for you to discover the all-new QX60 even before we launch it.
Another pancake?
An SUV built for people just like you. Now there's a lot of features on this fully equipped QX60 to check out while you drive around today.
Can I have another pancake?
Starting with its powerful V6 engine, the responsive 9-speed automatic transmission, coming with intelligent all-wheel drive. The QX60 has a stunning exterior, but I'm sure it's the interior that you will mostly appreciate. The first thing you will notice is the NASA-inspired zero-gravity front seats. They are heated and cooled, but also have a massage function that you definitely have to try out. Your kids in the second row can have captain chairs, and we haven't forgotten about the third row. Everyone can easily enjoy their own adjustable vents, USB ports, and available Wi-Fi. Don't forget to let a little sunshine in with a panoramic moonroof as you're driving around LA today. And when you're on the highway in traffic, just try out our ProPilot Assist with NaviLink, intelligent cruise control, and traffic sign recognition. There's a whole suite of connectivity at your fingertips.
Hey, great meeting today.
Like a 12.3-inch infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and last but not least, play your favorite music on our amazing Bose sound system. Thanks again, Kate. Good luck and have fun.
Hey.
Hey, where are you?
Oh, I just had a bunch of meetings. It's been a crazy day. What's up?
Well, we're all here at the studio, and actually, I have the Infiniti president and chairman, Payman Kargar, on the line. Can I patch it through?
Of course.
Hi, Kate.
Hi, Payman. Nice to meet you. You must be really busy.
Busy but happy. You know, I'm really excited. You are the first to drive our new SUV.
I'm loving it.
It's really great that you had the chance to drive it and really see how it fits into your life. For Infiniti, luxury should be lived in. That's the way we design our cars.
It's amazing.
Thank you again for being with us to introduce our new baby to the world.
Happy to be here.
There she is. You're gonna do great out there today. Let me show you where wardrobe is.
Love this.
This looks great.
Yeah.
This is perfect.
Cool.
Shoes. Cute. Okay, we'll do these.
Sophie, I'm gonna die in these shoes.
Before you die, we do have that call with Infiniti head of design, Alfonso.
Right, okay. Hi.
Hi, Kate.
It's really nice to meet you.
Great to meet you too. Hope you're enjoying the car today. It's stunning, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's been great.
As you can probably tell already, a lot of passion and craft went into every detail of our QX60.
Yeah, I can see that.
Well, right from the beginning, what we really want you to feel is this sense of power and artistry.
I did.
We really focused on some of the details. We also wanted to focus this sense of Japanese artistry. So we did a lot of little studies of how paper folds and all of these intricate little intersections. And then when we repeated them, it really gave this wonderful feeling for the grill, and we ran with that. When we were thinking of the color, we also turned to some of the crafts of Kyoto and how they develop pigments and how they create layers of colors to create a mood. And Moonbow Blue is really perfect. From one view, you get one feeling, and then as the car moves or you move, you get another feeling.
Oh, it's so stunning.
And then we knew from the beginning that we wanted this very muscular body and this teardrop type of roof, which is all black and sleek. So when you're coming around the back of the car, we really accentuated that. So the way the roof ends and the fenders are stretched out to the tires gives you a wonderful sense of power, stability, and really makes you want to drive the car. When we are designing the seats, of course, we pride ourselves on how comfortable they are, but also we look at the aesthetics of it and what they represent. So we really found these great images of how water drops onto a lake and how those ripples intersect. And the intersection itself was the inspiration for how we were going to handle the cruelty. With every Infiniti, of course, the sense of the driver is so important, and we thought about that in designing the instrument panel and really how much information is in the car. And we started thinking, well, let's figure out a unique way of organizing and curating this information. So even the startup, it feels like you're going into a digitized Japan in a sense.
I love that.
Finally, we think the world is ready for the new QX60. So what do you say, Kate? Are you ready?
I got this, Alfonso.
And action.
Oh,
Are you okay?
yeah.
All right?
Yeah, I'm good. No, it's fine. That's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Whenever
I'll
you're
get
ready,
this.
Kate. And action. That's a cut.
Well, that was fun.
You did a great job today. Let's get going. We don't want to be late for that after party.
Oh, I'm driving.